Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to knit this beautiful triangle lace stitch that I'm personally going to use for the baby cardigan. You can find also tutorial on my YouTube channel. Really easy. You can use it not only for cardigans but for scarves, for shawls and for summer hats. For this tutorial I'm going to use 3.5mm knitting needles and DK yarn, and I'm going to knit in 2 strands together. So if you want to try it knitting with me, you are welcome, and let's get started. So for this stitch you will need to cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 13 and plus 2 selvage stitches. So I cast on 41 stitches. I am using 3.5mm knitting needles and DK yarn. So slip the first stitch and knit all stitches. So this is the first row. Knit, knit, knit. Go on knitting till the end. At the end we are going to purl the very last stitch in each row. Row number 2, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches again till the last one. So go on knitting till the end, purl the last stitch, turn, again go on knitting all stitches, turn, and again go on knitting all stitches. Row number 5. So I've done 4 rows in garter stitch. Row number 5, slip the first stitch, slip, knit, pass over, then knit 4, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 4, and knit 2 together. So 13 stitches. Let's repeat again. Slip, knit, pass over, then knit 4, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 4, and knit 2 together. Go on repeating till the end. Turn. Row number 6 and all even rows we are going to purl all stitches. So slip the first stitch and purl till the end. Purl, 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 purl yarn over stitch of the previous row, go on till the end. Row number 7, slip the first stitch, slip, knit, pass over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over again, knit 3, and knit 2 together. Now let's repeat again these 13 stitches. Slip, knit, pass over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over again, knit 3, knit 2 together. Go on Repeating till the end, then purl the last stitch, turn and purl all stitches. Row number 9, slip, knit, pass over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, knit 2 and knit 2 together. Let's repeat it one more time. Slip, knit, pass over, knit 2, then yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, knit 2 and knit 2 together. Go on repeating till the end, purl the last selvage stitch, turn and purl all stitches. Row number 11, slip the first stitch, slip, knit, pass over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2 together. Let's repeat again. Slip, knit, pass over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, knit 1 and knit 2 together. Go on repeating till the end, purl the last stitch and row number 12, purl all stitches. Row number 13, slip the first stitch, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, then knit 2 together, yarn over, again knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, then yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over and knit 2 together. Great. Let's repeat. Slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over, slip, knit, pass over, yarn over and knit 2 together. Go on repeating till the end, then turn and the last row, row number 14, purl all stitches. That's it. Now you have to repeat the stitch from the beginning, from the first row. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope to see you soon in my next cardigan video tutorial. Bye!